Are you scared to start your own online business because you don't have any tech skills or you're not tech savvy? Do not let that keep you from achieving your goals and your dreams, because you do not need any tech skills. You do not need to be tech savvy. In our community, on a weekly basis, we are having 2 tech calls per week for you to attend to assist you with your tech issues. Or if you don't get any assistance or you can't make it for the tech calls, we have a community where you can search, you put in your problem, and you will get an answer. You are also being taught about your tech and how to put your automations together. You are being guided step by step in the Legacy Builder program. So you do not need any tech skills. So if you want to start your own online journey, don't worry about having any experience in anything. You will be guided step by step. As long as you follow your step by step guide, you will not go wrong. So if you want any information, if you want more information and you are ready to start your online journey, leave me a yes in the comment and I'll get back to you.